Get ready to hit the road in style with our 2022 Hyundai Elantra Preferred with Sun and Tech package. This well-maintained and affordable used vehicle is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish ride. And the best part? It comes with both a factory warranty and our exclusive 12-month huggable guarantee, giving you peace of mind on every journey. But that's not all. This Elantra is equipped with top-of-the-line features, such as a stunning sunroof, luxurious heated seats, convenient remote start, safety-enhancing rear camera, and blind spot monitoring system. Plus, its sleek alloy wheels will turn heads wherever you go. At Canada's huggable car dealer, we make owning this Elantra even easier with full financing options, zero down payment, and accepting trades. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your driving experience. Come in today and take this beauty for a test drive.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer